Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on Blox Fruits. If you're a fan of the game, you know that having a cool crew logo can really level up your squad's vibe. In this video, we'll walk you through how to make your own crew logo in the 2025 update. It's easier than you think, and by the end, you'll have a logo that stands out in the seas. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into Blox Fruits and have a crew set up. If you don't have a crew yet, head over to the crew creation section in the main menu. It's usually under the social tab. Once you're in your crew settings, look for the Customize Logo option. This might be a new feature in the 2025 update, so keep an eye out for any prompts about updates. Now, step 1. Select your base shape. Blox Fruits offers a variety of shapes like circles, squares, or even custom outlines. Choose one that fits your crew's theme. Maybe a skull for pirates or a fruit for something fun. Next, pick your colors. There are tons of options here. You can mix and match primary and secondary colors to make it pop. Don't forget to add details. Use the editor tools to slap on icons, patterns, or text. For example, if your crew is all about adventure, add a treasure chest or a ship wheel. A quick tip: keep it simple at first. Overloading your logo with too many elements can make it look messy, especially on smaller screens. Once you're happy with your design, hit the Preview button to see how it looks in-game. If everything checks out, save it and apply it to your crew. Boom! You're done. One more thing. In the 2025 update, there might be some exclusive elements tied to events or levels, so grind a bit if you want access to those. That's all for today's guide. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Blox Fruits tips, and drop a comment below with your crew's name. See you in the next one. Stay fruity.